A simple daily practice can attract a flood of abundance into your life. If different techniques, affirmation, or visualizations didn't work for you, don't lose hope. There is a powerful prayer technique based on the teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy, which can help you manifest your desires extremely fast. This is a simple but the most effective prayer that works for every desire. We are going to explain step by step the process of using this technique to manifest whatever you desire. Stay tuned until the end to discover not only how this technique works, but also why it has the potential to reshape your financial reality. Your life can be entirely different if you don't skip this video. Step 1. Clearly state what you want. Start by figuring out exactly what you want financially. Whether it's a specific amount of money, reaching a certain financial milestone, or having a particular level of abundance, being clear is crucial. Clearly laying out your goals acts like a roadmap for the universe. Instead of having vague wishes, be specific about the money-related things you're after, whether it's getting rid of debts, hitting a particular income target, or achieving financial stability. Be precise. This specificity works like a signal, directing the universe's energies to bring the abundance you're aiming for. Take some time to think about what you want in financial terms. Write it down, expressing it clearly. Doing this not only helps you understand your goals, but also sends your intentions out into the universe. Avoid being vague. The more detailed and specific you are about your financial wishes, the more focused and powerful your manifestation becomes. It's like entering the destination into your internal GPS, making sure you're on the right path toward your financial desires. While doing this first step, remember that being clear about what you want doesn't mean limiting yourself. It's about giving the universe a clear path to deliver what aligns with your real desires. Think of it as marking the coordinates on a treasure map. The more accurate and detailed your map, the more direct your route to finding the treasure. Once you've got a clear idea of your financial goals, keep that clarity in mind. Let it be your guide as you move through the next steps. The foundation you set in this first step will be the guiding force, steering the energies of manifestation toward the specific financial outcomes you've set in motion. Step 2, repeat the prayer. After knowing what you want, make it a habit to say the money prayer. So here is the prayer. Abundance flows into my life effortlessly. Before going to sleep and right after waking up, say it 10 times each. Repetition helps embed your desires in your thoughts and reinforces your focus. By consistently repeating the prayer, you're affirming your intentions to the universe. This repetition acts as a reminder of your financial goals, keeping them at the forefront of your mind. The morning and evening moments provide opportune times to connect with your desires, aligning your energy with the abundance you want to attract. Let the words of the prayer become a part of your daily routine, like brushing your teeth or having a meal. The consistency of this practice strengthens your manifestation efforts. It's not about elaborate rituals. It's about simple, regular reinforcement of your financial desires. As you utter the prayer, try to infuse it with a sense of belief and conviction. Let the words resonate with the confidence that what you're asking for is on its way. The more you say it with conviction, the more you reinforce the belief that your financial goals are achievable. Think of this step as programming the universe with your intentions. The repetition of the prayer acts like a code that communicates your financial desires to the cosmic forces. Each repetition strengthens this code, making it more powerful and effective in attracting the money and abundance you seek. Incorporating this practice into your daily routine establishes a consistent connection between your conscious and subconscious mind, creating a harmonious environment for manifestation. Remember, it's the regularity and sincerity of your repetition that amplify the impact of this step in the manifestation process. Step 3, live as if it's already yours. Once you've stated your financial goals and made saying the money prayer a routine, it's time to embody the feeling of having already achieved what you desire. Act and feel as if your financial goals have materialized. This isn't about pretending, but about creating a genuine sense of alignment with the abundance you seek. Imagine the fulfillment of your financial dreams. Picture the scenarios and experiences that come with achieving your goals. Feel the emotions associated with financial success. By living in this mental state as much as possible, you create a resonance with the energy of abundance. Carry yourself with the confidence and assurance that your financial desires are already a reality. Make decisions and take actions from this mindset, as if you're navigating life with the certainty that your goals have been accomplished. This shift in perspective helps align your thoughts, behaviors, and choices with the vibrational frequency of the financial abundance you want to attract. It's not about denying your current reality, but about consciously choosing to focus on the reality you want to create. The more you immerse yourself in the feeling of having already achieved your financial goals, the more you invite that reality into your life. This step is about cultivating a mindset of abundance. Embrace the feelings of success and prosperity on a daily basis. As you go about your routine, carry the energy of someone who has realized their financial aspirations. This isn't wishful thinking. It's a deliberate shift in your internal state, aligning your being with the manifestation of your financial desires. Living in the end state is a powerful aspect of manifestation. It's like tuning into the frequency of the life you want to lead. The more consistently you maintain this mental state, the more you pave the way for the physical manifestation of your financial goals. Remember, your thoughts and emotions are like magnets, attracting similar energies from the universe. So, by living in the end state, you're essentially magnetizing your reality towards the financial abundance you seek. Step 4. Let go of attachment. Having stated your financial goals, repeated the money prayer, and lived in the mindset of already having achieved your desires, it's crucial to now practice detachment. Letting go doesn't mean abandoning your goals. It means releasing the grip of anxious attachment. Trust that the universe is working on your behalf and that your desires are in the process of manifestation. Detachment involves allowing the natural flow of life to unfold. Avoid clinging to specific outcomes or obsessively monitoring progress. Trust in the timing of the universe. Understand that there might be a natural gestation period for your desires to come to fruition. Impatience and worry only introduce resistance, potentially slowing down the manifestation process. Cultivate a sense of calm assurance that what you've set in motion is on its way. This step doesn't imply inaction. Rather, it encourages inspired action. While detachment involves letting go of anxiety, it doesn't mean sitting idly. Continue taking practical steps towards your financial goals, but do so without the burden of desperation or fear. Trust that your efforts, combined with the energy you've invested in manifestation, will lead to the desired outcomes. Shift your focus from the lack or absence of your desires to a mindset of gratitude. Letting go also means releasing any doubts or skepticism. Trust the process and have faith that the universe is responding to your intentions. Doubt introduces conflicting energy, potentially hindering the smooth flow of abundance towards you. Replace doubt with trust, knowing that the seeds you've planted will grow in their own time. This step is about surrendering the need for immediate results. Understand that obstacles are part of the journey, and your unwavering faith serves as a beacon guiding you through them. Cultivate faith by consistently reinforcing positive affirmations. Remind yourself of the progress you've made and the manifestations you've already witnessed. Reflect on past instances where your intentions turned into reality, reinforcing the understanding that manifestation is a natural and achievable process. Embrace the journey with a sense of joy and anticipation. Enjoy the present moments while holding a positive expectation for the future. The combination of joy and anticipation creates a harmonious vibrational frequency that aligns with the manifestation of your financial desires. Remember that faith is an ongoing practice. It's not a one-time declaration, but a continuous reinforcement of positive beliefs. As you navigate this final step, let your faith be the anchor that keeps you steady amidst uncertainties. Trust in the process, maintain a positive mindset, and watch as your unwavering faith paves the way for the manifestation of your financial abundance. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.